Today class we'll be studying chapter number 7, triangles. So I request you to open page number 109 on your NCERT class 9 book. It is triangles. Now, what is a triangle? You already know, you have already studied it from the lower classes, but let us revise it again and then we'll move forward with the congruency. A three-sided closed figure is called a triangle. कोई भी तीन-sided figure होता है जो close होता है, that is a triangle. Now this is a triangle, this is one side, this is another side, and this is the third side. So it has three sides and then it has three corners. We also call them vertices. So it has three sides and three corners or three angles. It is a triangle. Now we classify the triangles on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. First of all, we'll classify them on the basis of sides, the number of sides which are equal or which are not equal. Like this is the first one. This is an equilateral triangle and it has all the sides. It has all the sides of same length. That is this side, and this side. They all are equal. So it is called as equilateral triangle. Also, it has all the angles equal. All the angles are how much? 60 degree each in equilateral triangle. Next is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the two sides other than base, this is base and these are the other two sides, they are equal. This side is equal to this side. So this is isosceles triangle and it has base angles equal. This angle is one base angle and this is the another base angle. They both are equal to each other. So this is isosceles triangle. Now the third one is scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, we do not have any side equal. These all the sides are of different length. So when it is given that we have a triangle which have no side equal, then straight away we can conclude that it is a scalene triangle. Now on the basis of angles, we classify the triangles. First of all, acute angle triangle. An acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the angles are lesser than 90 degree. You may consider any angle like this one, this angle, this angle, or this angle. All the three angles, they are lesser than 90 degrees. So it is a acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, it is a triangle in which one angle is more than 90 degree. This you can see that this angle is more than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle triangle. And remember that only one angle can be obtuse angle. Two angles can't be obtuse angle in a triangle. Then the third one is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. And here we can see that this angle is 90 degree, this one. So the triangle in which one angle is 90 is right angle triangle. And remember that no two angles can be right angle. Triangle can only have one angle as a 90 degree. So this is the classification of angles on the basis of classification of triangles on the basis of angles and on the basis of sides. Now class, In this chapter, we will be dealing with congruency. So we must understand the concept of congruency. Congruency is what? When two or more figures are completely overlapping each other, then they are called congruent figures. They should completely overlap each other. That is, no part must be extra or no part must be missing. Let us see. We are given two figures. This is the first figure and this is the second figure. Let's see whether they completely overlap each other or not. It seems that they'll not overlap each other. Let's see. Yes, they are completely overlapping each other. That means these two figures are congruent to each other. So this is the congruency concept, and this concept will be taking forward to the triangles also. Now you move on to page number 110 of this chapter. Now we see here that the congruent figures cover each other, like in the last slide we saw this. Now congruency of figures, let's see whether these two triangles are congruent to each other or not. Again,